Hey guys, it's Serge here. One of the things I've been looking at over the past few days is semiconductor stocks. Semiconductor stocks, as measured by the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, the SOX, tend to have a pretty important role in markets to this day in terms of sentiment and somewhat of a leading indicator as well at times. So what I've been looking at here is the long-term weekly chart of the SOX, and you can see we had a very meaningful breakout a little bit more than a year ago, 2014. That's led to about a 50% extension, so of the rally from from the depths of 2008 up to early 2014. So we've rallied about 50% of this entire move to the upside. Additionally, the move is increasingly looking to be quite steep, taking the shape of a so-called rising wedge pattern. As you can see here, that's sort of this formation, and ultimately this is vulnerable for a pullback in a retest of this of this support line. If you look at single name stocks within this space, you can find a lot of the names that we all know, like for example Intel, that have had some fairly concerning price action over the past, let's call it 4 or 5 months or so, basically creating sort of an island top here, just bearish distribution basically. So a lot of these stocks look to be ready to rally to a lower high, not so much to a higher high here over the coming weeks, maybe months. If we look at the SOX on this daily time frame, you'll see this rising wedge that I'm talking about. Uh, Not to get too technical, basically, I think the SOX, certainly in a break below about 660, could start really accelerating lower, and that would actually tactically set up for some really good, interesting opportunities on the short side, not only in the sector itself, but also certainly versus single name stocks, particularly some of the larger ones that tend to have a better correlation to the broader semiconductor complex. So, I hope this makes sense, guys. Please like this video. If you got any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and check out what we're doing over at thesteadytrader.com. I'll see you in the next video.